What's up, pen pals? Today we're talking about the Right Choice Painting Company. Weird name for a pen company. I don't think that's what the company originally started as, but I believe the owner already had the name and went with it. They're a company out of Arizona. They've made a few different pens over the years. What you see here are their bolt action pen and their click pen. They do have some other pens on the website that I haven't seen stocked in quite a while, but these are the two main pens I believe that Jim, the owner, works on a much regular basis. So what you have here, this is just the standard bolt action pen. Now this one has been customized. This came in just silver titanium when I got it. I have now anodized it black. It just had titanium parts on it. I've now upgraded this to Mokume tip, Mokume bolt cap, bolt slide, Mokume end cap, and a copper Cerakoted clip. He does not make clips of any other material right now other than, I believe, stainless steel. This right here is his copper and Zerk bolt action pen in the PR5 milling here, so you can see, focus. See those pockets, those milled pockets there for the design, and copper body, copper bolt slide, Zerk bolt, Zerk end cap, Zerk tip, and then a black Cerakoted clip. And then this one is a fully entropic bolt action on the body. Then it has the titanium Damascus tip, bolt, bolt slide, and end cap. And then just the regular clip there. Now these two take Energel refills. This takes Pilot G2 refills. On his pens, they do have swappable tips here, so you could just unscrew this. They come in different sizes for Pilot G2, Energel, and Parker. Now the click right here, this is a full zirconium click. It has the double milled ring upper portion here. They don't all come like this. He has a few different designs, but this is his billet click. Uses this Schmidt type clicker mechanism. I've got a Pilot VRT5 needlepoint refill in here right now. Again, this just unscrews here. These do come for Parker size refills or G2. This is the Pilot G2 one. I used to have the Parker one in, I think it was titanium Damascus. I've since sold it. These are great value pens, though. You're talking like under $100 for some of, for I think for this copper and Zerk, somewhere around there. The fully entropic was under $100 with the titanium parts. It's been upgraded with the titanium Damascus. It looks great. So it is a little over 100 there. But these are some of the most affordable, well-built pens in the machine pen world. If you're looking to just test the waters, I think this regular pen in just titanium is about 50, 60 bucks. There's really not a better price out there. Give you some lengths on these so you can see what they come in at. So you got about 5 1/4 there on these bolt actions. And then the billet click is coming in just about the same. Compare that to a Bic pen for you. And then with the cap off, the Bic's still a little longer. Get you a little weight on these. So your full Zerk billet click pen comes in at 45 grams. The titanium with Mokume, 33 grams. The copper and Zirc, 38 grams. And the titanium with titanium Damascus parts, 23 grams. Billet, your Bic pen is about 4 grams. We get out the calipers here, can get you thickness 0.37 inches on the bolt action and 0.42 on the billet click. We get out our tape here to show you the balance point of the pen. It is not touching there. So there's your balance point right there. Just redo this one, show you, same spot. There you go. So again, these are the Right Choice Painting Company. A fantastic value. I highly recommend checking one out if you're just looking to test the waters on machine pens. They're not always in stock. However, if you are on the shop app, then I would recommend you go to their page, hit the notification button, so when pens do come in stock, it will ping on your phone and you know instantly when to get them. That is how I follow along. He is also very responsive at times on his website through the chat. It may take him a little bit to answer, but he does usually always respond. Give you a little writing sample here. Pretty much no tip wiggle in the bolt action pens. Here's the billet click. This one had been one of my favorite pens for a long time. No tip wiggle there, especially with this Pilot VRT5 in there. Great feeling pen. Great looking zirconium. Nice luxurious finish there. Again, if you want to test the waters and not spend a lot of money on machine pens to start off, then I highly recommend going with the Right Choice Painting Company. That's what I've got for you today, everyone. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.